How is your day going so far? My name is Eugen. I work at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, a local Canadian appliance repair company. It's time to fix Samsung appliances. In this video, I will show the process of diagnosing and repairing a Samsung DW80CG5451SR dishwasher that does not drain water. Repair and maintenance of dishwasher are carried out in the corridor area of Winnipeg. During a visual inspection, I found water at the bottom of the dishwasher. I turned on the dishwasher for the washing program and immediately reset the program, which should drain the water in 1 minute. But alas, the water did not drain. In this and similar cases, when the dishwasher does not drain water, the next step is to check the drainage system and inspect the connections of the drain hose. Gotcha. After disconnecting the hose, I found a blockage where it connects to the siphon under the sink. I clean it and fix the hose in place. I conduct tests. Success! The water drains. I check the dishwasher on all modes, paying special attention to the drain. Everything works and the dishwasher is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing a Samsung dishwasher or questions about any other appliances, shoot to us in the comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.